Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Jinto from US Cricket Store bringing you another video review of another gem, that we found out of the hidden treasures that we have. So we were again, the usual activity that I do when I come to the store, browse through the inventory, try to find hidden gems for you, because we got so many inquiries after that blue oxide review that we hosted on our YouTube channel. And that's why I bring you another hidden gem, which is another monster of a bat from DSC in the blue series. Again, you can make out what I'm trying to say here. This is a big bat. Not kidding, really big bat. 42 on the edge, 64 on the spine, 28 on the toe. If you look at the concaving side of things, you're looking at maybe 1 millimeters of concaving. If I really want to be harsh or critical, handle wise, we're looking at a very good oval shape handle, a very good oval shape handle. It feels really nice in the hands when you're trying to hold it, and it comes with the latest DSC style gripping, which is having the pimple effect and also does have the DSC logo as well. And trust me guys, this with the any gloves that you would want to wear, it feels awesome in the hands if you are wearing this or you are hosting this kind of grips, because it's really grippy, and DSC has done a marvelous job with this grip, to be precise. Again, I don't have to say anything about the decals. You have already seen the decals in our blue series, but this series that we are having is called as the Blue Cyan. In terms of the number of grains, we're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 grains. And if you see that the grains are straight parallel equidistant with a few speckles here and there, but I'm pretty certain that those speckles will not affect the performance in any sort of manner. An equal number of grains on the back of the bat as well, and those grains are going nice and straight parallel to the toe. Again, in my opinion, qualities and virtue of a good quality cricket bat. Well, we already looked at the profile, we looked at the handle size and all that stuff, but we didn't discuss the weight. Again, I'll just reiterate what I said about the specs. 42 on the edge, 64 on the spine, 28 on the toe. There's a surprise. The weight is 2.9.4 on the scales. That's about it, with the wrapper on, by the way. So the wrapper is on the thinner side. It will not be a significant difference in the weight, but we are definitely looking at 0.1 or 0.2 of an ounce going down even more further, right? So again, we're looking at 2.9.2 maybe, or maybe 2.9 on the scales, and that's how ridiculous this bat actually is, right? Again, one of the hidden gems. You will see momentarily how the ping is, which is again insane. I will show you in a few minutes, but before that, let's check out the balance of this bat. As I said, 2.9.4 on the scales with the wrapper on right now. How does it feel in my hands? Wow guys, I told you, right? Because the handle is like superiorly good quality oval, not the kind of oval that I would be looking for in any bat. That's how the handles are. Again, just emphasizing the shape of the handle at the bottom hand. It's very beautiful, balanced in your hands, and it feels nice in your hands. If I want to reiterate that again and again, in my opinion, feels like a 28.5. I really want to be harsh or critical, but that's about it. Beautiful duckbill toe profile. Again guys, you getting the shot off the bat. Big bat, and again, is for folks who want a big bat with a lighter weight. DSC Blue Cyan for you guys. Now comes the main part of the review, which is the ping test with this brand new cricket ball on this beautiful Cyan. Check it out how it goes. There it is guys. It's so much of wood to back up your shots. Obviously you're expecting a very good performing bat in your hands. That's how beautifully pressed these bats are. The retail price of this lovely bat is $239.99. We have limited stock of this Cyan, of this hidden gems. Maybe the next time that I visit the store, maybe finding even more treasures that's hidden somewhere in our den. Well, if you like the content that we host on our channel, then would request you to kindly smash that subscribe button. Otherwise guys, it's all fine. Until next time, this is Jinto signing off from US Cricket Store, redefining cricket in US. Cheers.